Oh my fucking god, you'll never fucking believe what happened when I was at Disney World the other fucking day. Listen to this. We're in line for that fucking tower. You know, that scary tower, whatever the fuck it's called. And Mark, he fucking taps me on the shoulder and he says, honey, I said, what the fuck do you want? It's fucking 800 degrees outside. I'm scorching like a fucking scorpion. What the fuck do you want right now? And he gets down on one goddamn knee. I said, what the fuck do you think you're doing right now, Mark? I said, what are you doing? He said, babe, I love you. I know that. I said, get the fuck off the ground. I am not doing this right here. I want to get on this scary tower. I want to scream. And then I want to go get a fucking hot dog. I do not want to deal with this shit right now. Can you fucking believe him? I'm like in the middle of Disney. The fucking middle of the happiest place on earth. How fucking cheesy, you fucking scum. Yeah. Whatever. Alrighty. Well, I'll talk to you later, mommy. I love you. Okay. Bye-bye. Mwah. Fucking son of a bitch.
Okay. Finish your cookies. If you'd like to make brownies, if it make you feel better.
So bad, Mama. This is so embarrassing.
Here, I'll try one. Let me see if it's very good.
I told you not to.
Angels exist, but sometimes they don't have wings and are called friends.
Yum.
If you feed them, they will come.
Grateful and thankful.
They stand BBD.
Dreams don't work unless you do.
Welcome in ways. I never met a cookie I didn't like. Kitchen. Mi casa es su casa. It's so good to be home.
The one where they were roomies.
She believed she could, but then she blacked out and didn't.
But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear?
The win-win value lineup at Buffalo Wild Wings. Get takeout or delivery.
Fuck you. Fuck all of these people for what they've done to me. And for them to be tweeting right now, I'm playing the victim. I am the fucking victim. You have abused me.
Fucking stupid, ugly, stupid whore.
Caramel erection.
Bitch, look, what did you just say?
This is what a fetus looks like at 18 months.
Babies aren't in your belly 18 months. They're only in there 9.
I said what I said.
I've got a record player that was made in 2014. Dyed my hair blue, it came out as a sort of green. I like vintage dresses when they fall just below my knees. I pretend I scrape them, climbing in the trees.
Finally got this trick down.
I actually don't care what other people do, as long as I got legal marijuana. Thank you.
Guys, I got this ad on Instagram. The jewelry's cute, but the letters that they chose. I don't think this was intentional, but...
I climbed out of my head and watched myself implode. A thought without a body ought to be the shot to take a load off. My brain is poison and I'm searching for the antidote. But every time I find it, my defense is scream, oh no you don't. Whoa, but it's fine. No, really, I'm fine.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P.
Debussy. My entire body is a no-no swear. Please don't touch me. Or look at me. Kind of makes me uncomfortable. Talk to me. Don't refer to me either. My pronouns aren't.
I'm not going to show you the facts and the evidence because I'm 29 fucking years old. And I'm not going to sit down and make a video with screenshots exposing my bullies. These are bullies. These are high school fucking bullies.
I'm at the park with Belle and Dean. Here's Belle. Say hi, Belle. And there's Dean.
guys, hi.
Have you ever been in love?
I don't think so.
Do you want me to describe it to you?
I've been waiting for a day like this to come struck like lightning. My heart's beating like a drum on the edge of something wonderful. Face to face with changes. What's it?
I don't know what y'all do when you're sad, but when I'm sad, I look up bad baby names. We have Misery, Caitlyn, but with the Roman number. We have Puzzle. This feels ableist. They chose the name of Puzzle because she was the last missing piece. Austin, but spelled like this. McCarty after the rum. This one, I didn't know what it was, but it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Erica, what? It's supposed to be Erica! Latrina! Havoc, low-key, wait, listen. Relax!
Oh, you don't like that? Or do you just not like me? Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry, I don't treat you like you're perfect, like all your little.
I used to think acting would be pretty easy until I realized how hard it would be to keep a straight face through a scene like this.
Maybe Cara Danvers is tougher than you think.
We're not gonna win this today.
Just well, haha.
And I was running for.
We spoke to Jack, who wished to remain anonymous.
I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know, right now you can't tell.
Hey, this is part 20 of people's Snapchat stories that are just amazing.
Don't know if I'm God's child or Satan's angel.
Nah, man, I think you meant to say Creeper from Minecraft. Bro, my cat was a professional sleeper. This was really unexpected, but R.I.P. Clitoris Titus, aka Fatboy 2019 to 2021. I'ma miss you, little bro. It's not gonna be the same anymore when I come home every day. Hope you get as much food and sleep you want in heaven.
With it. C-I-T-Y with it. Right cheek, left cheek with it. Fun size on fleet with
Yeah, my Nana and G-Pa are coming over tonight. Have you met my Nini Benini and Grand Piano? Oh my gosh, my Nana makes the best cookies and my G-String tells the funniest jokes. What do you call your iPod Nano and granite counter?
This is so squishy and soft. Bitch, I just thought of such a cool idea. I'm the uterus tar.
Water.
Bitch, this is why I never want to fucking touch that hose.
Earth. Earth. Fire.
Air.
Emo accent challenge. Let's go. Number 1. And see it! And see it! Number 2. My ad! My ad! Number 3. Goddamn door! Goddamn door! Number 4. We're going down, down! We're going down, down! Number 5. The city! The city! Number 6. Number 6. Oh my God!
Oh yeah? Take that. Sorry, buddy. Had to do it. You're getting too much power. And now we don't have any power at all.
Hey Tommy, let me get that fit check. Sheesh!
my god, look at this vintage Murakami Louis Vuitton bag I found. It's just so iconic. You're excused. Yeah. Selling her my Depop for $9,000.
I know that /POS is the tone indicator for positive, but it is so funny to read comments like, "Your style is so unique." Piece of shit.
My baby, you're my baby, say it too.
Enjoy this video of my friend and I driving home in a huge thunderstorm.
If you take a pen and hold it between your teeth and make darn clear that it doesn't touch your lips and raise your eyebrows, you will create a facial expression which is sending signals to your brain that you are happy. And if you're ever like in a down mood, do this for 30 seconds and watch a video clip of penguins jumping into the water or falling off the ice, and you will feel better.
Dad had a posse tonight.
Hi everyone! So you guys have been asking in the comments of my other British accent challenge part 1 for a part 2. So let's get started. British accent challenge part 2. Okay, number 1. Raw, you're kinda lang, you know. I still don't know what lang means, but okay.
What can I lang, you know?
Okay, number 2. Shut up, you dickhead. That's not nice.
Shut up, you dickhead!
Okay, number 3. Oi, you're a sweet one still? Sweet one. Okay.
Oi, you're a sweet one still!
Okay.
Hello, my name is Duncan. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I'm addicted to doing the F-boy face. Anytime someone talks to me and I don't know how to respond, I just hit them with a... Sometimes I do it and then I instantly regret it.
She's dead?
Sorry.
Double, cheeseburger, burger, please. I love this city. I love it.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things.
818 in Louisiana is leading 13 other states in challenging President Biden's ban on new oil and gas leases.